So, if we go into free cam here, this is a new Salt truck that was remodeled with the DOT revamp a few days ago. We go into free cam, and beneath the Salt tray there, you can see a fifth wheel axis, and this is used to connect trailers on the back of semi-trucks, and even on the back of retrofitted pickups.
You see this? Now, if you don't know what this is what semi-trucks use to connect the trailers. And this is pretty obviously being modeled into this vehicle.
If we go in free cam into the actual bed of this Salt truck, and down here, we can see this right here, as we literally just like in the middle, hidden away, like no one is meant to see it. You can't see it, in fact, unless you do have free cam and you are inside of this Salt truck, and it's very, very strange.
And we come inside of the truck just like so. There is this trailer hitch right here, which is apparently called like a fifth wheel or something, which attaches the rest of the lorry or truck to, you know, this cab. And, you know, this looks like the perfect front to a semi-truck or a smaller truck. So does that mean that these bigger loads could be coming to the game? Seeing as it's been teased right in front of us here, it's definitely looking likely.